This is our last camping trip of the year, and this trip is going to be fun. It's going to be cold, which is unusual for us. I remember a couple years ago here in Mississippi, walking across the street on Christmas Day in shorts because it was quite warm. Well, it's middle of November, and it got down in the 20s last night, Fahrenheit, and the highs today are in the 40s. So not incredibly cold for all of my northern state friends and friends up in Canada, but for this Mississippi family who's not used to the cold, it's pretty darn cold. But we've got cold weather gear on, and we're gonna warm up around the fire and cook hopefully all of our meals around the fire. This is a Breeo Y series fire pit, and there's a bunch of attachments for it for cooking, which is just so much fun. That's the best word I can say. It's just fun. So we have a Breeo Y series, an X series, an X30 at home. Just a big, entertaining, fun fire pit for a lot of people to gather around. But we have this Y series for traveling, and we brought it on several camping trips so far. And I plan on recording as many of the cooks as I can for this particular trip. All right, back home, I use a torch to start every fire, but we're camping and this is fun, so I'm going to do this method. A little bit of Vaseline on a cotton ball. Turns it into a candle, basically. Good fire starter. Should have took my glove off for this. Throw another one right there. You have a wedgie. No one cares about the wedgie in this video. Two larger pieces next to it with a little bit of birch bark to help keep it going. Probably more birch bark than what I needed, but it is, I don't have enough small pieces, so it's gonna be okay. We'll do the log cabin method. So these pieces are honestly too big to start a fire, but I think with enough birch bark it should go. Yeah, that should be fine. I'm gonna let that burn down into coals for a little while. When are we gonna cook? We gotta let the fire die down a little bit. We don't want to cook with flames. We want to cook with coals. You want to come sit right here and warm up with me? Come here. No, we don't need to put any pellets in there right now. The fire's going pretty good. What about sticks? Yeah, we need it to die down a little bit. It's a good, nice, warm fire. It's a little too warm to cook with, though. You want to help me cook? Yeah. Yeah? That was a quick yeah. We're going to cook bacon and eggs. Is that okay?
I don't know how to cook bacon.
You don't know how to cook bacon? You watch me cook bacon all the time at home.
I do.
Can I show you how to do it? You want to help me? I'll even let you put some bacon on there.
I'll let you put bacon on there.
Yeah, well, we got to let this die down a little bit.
What about I do bacon and you do eggs?
That sounds wonderful, because I think eggs on a skillet without a rim would be a little bit of chaos with you. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Well, let's let this die down and we'll cook a little bit, okay?
What did you throw?
I threw that acorn, sweetie. There's thousands and thousands, if not millions of acorns around here. Look, there's probably one right here. Of course, the one spot in this whole woods that there's no acorn after I throw the acorn that you picked out and gave to me. So I'm gonna put one on just to see if it's ready. Oh, it's ready. You hear that? That's how you know if it's ready, okay? So what we're gonna do is just put them, I guess this way, yeah. Grab that one?
Yeah.
You gotta grab it. I'll put it on there. This is going to be some funky, shriveled up bacon. You want to come to this other side where the wind's not getting you?
Yeah.
Walk around. Okay, here you go. Squeeze it real good. Now you can put it down.
That's where I put it.
That's fine. You can put it anywhere you want, sweetie. I figure this little cook is probably going to be a train wreck anyway. Here. There you go. There you go. Squeeze with both hands. There you go.
helps and makes it really, it's obvious it doesn't have to repeat the question a lot of times.
You got it. You got 2, that's okay. You got 3, that's okay. Put them right here. There you go. Let me borrow that for just 1 second. You're doing great, Tyler. I gotta separate this. Here you go. You gotta hold them up here with both hands. Now we gotta hold off for just a minute because this is gonna produce too much grease and it'll get the fire going too hot if we don't hold off. Hold off just a second, sweetie. We gotta wait a second. Last time I did bacon on here, I did too much at once, and then we had too much grease, and it got a little out of hand. We don't want that again. Let's start moving all this over here towards me. Wow, it's starting to roll up on me. Whatever. Can I borrow those for just a minute? Thank you very much. Need an extra pair of hands to flatten out this bacon. I got one of those packs of bacon where all the pieces want to turn into a Twizzler. All right, see what's going on? We're starting to get a little bit too greasy, and I'm draining where I don't want to drain. Looks like we're leaning away from the camera, so are you cold?
No.
You're not cold?
No.
Okay, cool. All right, I'm dripping the wrong way. I thought I was going to drip the other way. So, let's see if we can't lift this side up a little bit. There we go. Shift it around. There we go. You want to help me with some more bacon?
Yes.
Yes? Let me get these positioned real fast. Here.
Dirt on there for the bacon?
It's not dirt. This is a little bit of bacon goodness. A little bit of heat. Well, that was a lot of heat coming off of that. Let's start putting some of this cooked stuff in here. You got them? Grab them. There you go. You go ahead and start putting more on. There you go. Hear that? You get one more? Oh, I just dropped the piece in there. Did you see that? Oh well, it's in there. Set it down. You want to put some more on, please? There you go. That's fine right there. Now come get this last piece and put it right next to it, okay? There you go. There you go. Now come sit by me. We're done with these for right now. You want to do a huge favor for me? Do you mind throwing this in that trash can over there? The one by the truck? Thank you so much. All right, last few pieces of bacon. I think we can start in on the eggs. Hey, Tyler K, what kind of eggs do you want? You want yolk? Yolk egg? Did you have fun cooking with me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I never did that before.
You know, Well, we haven't done bacon yet. We've cooked a lot of stuff together, just not bacon. All right, so the bacon is just gonna sit right here inside that container, and I think we're gonna try and do some eggs.
Yay.
Now, I've never done eggs on this. I've never done eggs on this griddle top before, so I don't know how much they're gonna slide around on me. Why don't you come over here? Think we should give it a try?
Yes.
Yeah? I'll spread some of this bacon grease around. And then I'll try to, I'm just gonna throw the shells on the floor for right now. Let's see what happens. You ready? Think it's gonna run off?
Yes. Wow, it's coming closer to you. Watch out, Dad, watch out.
Watch out, watch out. You're right in front of the camera. You watch out. There you go. There you go.
Before I turn the wheel off.
So I don't think we lost any egg. I think it's all there. What do you think? Is that pretty cool? I'll just put the egg back.
Can I try?
Can you try? No, ma'am. Because this is a little bit sketchy. There's no rim around there. This is not a pan. So I don't want these to go flying everywhere. Also, this griddle top is a little too hot.
Yeah, that's so fun.
Yeah?
I want 4 more eggs.
Whoa.
What you say, whoa?
Because we
Look,
just...
Look, fire,
Look what? Yeah. That is a... What is that called? It's a camper with a motor. What is it called?
A Class C.
That is not a Class C. That one's a flat front. So what's that one called? Class A.
Class
That's right. That's a Class A
A motor.
motorhome. That's right. Oh, we're gonna have some crispy bottomed eggs. I like that. Do you like that Class A?
Yeah.
Well, that's one of those things we just look at because we can't afford one of those. Oh, lost a little egg. Huh?
Where's the egg?
A little bit went down there, not much. It's fine. All right, we got 5 done. We need 1 more.
Is that 4 more?
That's 6 eggs. 6 eggs. And-
Only 3 eggs because they're all 3.
How much bacon did we cook?
I don't know.
You don't know?
10?
10 bacon? No, it was 3/4 pound.
Wow.
Now, I smell something burning. Oh, it's probably that egg that went down in there. Yeah, you want to do this a little bit?
Yeah, but I don't know how to do it.
You don't know how? Well, I can show you. See, we're just, here, you can grab it. Just wiggle it underneath the bottom. Try and get this flat. Push this down a little bit. Put your hand here. I'll flip it around so it's a little easier for you. There you go. What we want to do is just, you got it? All right. Just move it around a little bit. Just make sure it's not stuck underneath. Well, it's sticking a little bit. There's not that much bacon grease over here anymore.
The other 2 are sticking again.
I don't know. I think we're good. This one's pretty much done.
Just stick to that one. Yummy try.
Hold on, sweetie. What are you doing? What's going on? Oh, we're not going to whine over something so silly like that. So make sure we're not sticking. All right, now you can play around with the bottom of that one. Come stand right here and you can check these to make sure that they're done. Hold it flat underneath it, okay? You don't want to lift like this. You want to make sure it's flat. Just like that. Now you can grab it with both hands if you want. Is it sticking or is it good? Hey, you ready with plates? I don't want these eggs to go in the fire, so I'm gonna get them real fast, okay? Okay?
You gonna put them all on the same plate?
Yeah, if not, then it's too cold out here. They're gonna get too cold. You wanna take that plate inside?
Yeah.
Don't drop it. Tyler, hey, here, can you come get the bacon instead? Take the bacon to Mama. Thank you so much. And while you guys get those plates situated, we'll scrape this clean, I'm going to put just a little bit of lard back on here. I prefer to use lard or tallow rather than oils. And just cover everything once again. And then once I'm done here, I'll put this upside down over the fire pit, over a different fire pit. Let it cool off over there. You don't want to leave these on the griddle, I'm sorry, on the fire when you're not cooking. You get this thing too hot and it'll warp. Just like a cast iron pan. Did you have fun cooking with Daddy?
Yes.
Well, next time we'll get even better and better and better. We'll keep doing it, okay? All right. Okay, let's eat.